Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Looking to organize your Notion workspace and make your pages easier to find? In today's tutorial, I'll show you a simple, effective way to add tags to a page in Notion, so you can sort, filter, and label your content with just a few clicks. By the end of this video, you'll have a tidy, customizable system for tagging your pages, making it much easier to track projects, group similar notes, or just keep things a little less chaotic. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Notion workspace. Just log in as you normally would. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right area of your workspace. It can be easy to get lost if you have a lot of pages and sections. If you're following along, open up the database where you want to add tags. Databases in Notion can look like tables, boards, calendars, or lists, but for most people, the table view is where you'll want to start. Now look at the top of your database or your table. You'll see column headers that often say things like name, tag, status, or whatever you've set up. We're going to add a new way to label and identify each page by creating a tag column. To do this, move your mouse beside the column named Name. That's often marked with AWA as an icon, since it usually holds the page or item title. Hover just to the right of that column and click on the plus sign that appears. This lets you add a brand new column to your table. Type tag as the name for this new column. It might seem simple, but naming your columns clearly is so important, especially if you're working with teams or want to grow your system later. For the purpose of this example, let's say you already have two sample entries in your database. Maybe one is called AOA and another is SORAO. These could be projects, tasks, articles, whatever you track in Notion. Beside each of these entries under the new tag column, you'll see an empty field. This is where the real organizing power comes in. Just click into the empty space next to AOA and type in the label you want. Maybe you like to call this first tag, perhaps it's a project type, a topic, or even a client's name. For the next entry, SORAO, click into its tag field and label it something like second tag. You can create and type in any tag label that makes sense for your organization. There's no limit to how creative or structured you can get here, and that's all there is to it. Notion makes it incredibly flexible to organize your data. Once you've added tags, you'll discover they're super handy for filtering or grouping items across your workspace. For instance, you could filter your database to show only items with the first tag, like pulling all your Harry Potter books off the shelf and leaving only the mysteries behind. No need to worry if your tag system changes over time. Notion lets you edit, add, or remove these tags anytime. The important thing is that you now have a fast, powerful tool for keeping your pages organized and accessible in a way that fits your workflow. If this tutorial helped you get more out of Notion, be sure to hit the like button. And if you've got any questions or want to share how you use tags in your own workspace, drop a comment below. I love hearing new ideas. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Notion tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.